In fact, my colleague Ankur Mishra did manage to get a conversation in with none other than Sajjan Jindal. Let's listen in.
So just one comment on your listing. So congratulations on the listing. This company is listed. What do you think will be the next step for JSW Infrastructure?
I think listing is just the beginning because this now many shareholders will participate, and as I was saying, that this will bring a lot of let's say pressure on the management, or shall I say more ambitious plans can be made now, because India is a hugely growing country, and infrastructure is the one which really is needed for this country to take our country to the 10 trillion and then to the developed economy stage.
Right.
Infrastructure will play a very important role, and that's where JSW Infrastructure will play its role.
It took 13 years from the last listing to this listing. Many of the participants were saying now the listing time should be reduced. Which is the next company you think will be on the block, and will it be reduced now?
No, we have 2-3 companies in the pipeline which are in the incubation stage at the moment, like JSW Cement, JSW Paints, and similar couple of other companies. So let's see. It won't be that delayed. It would be much faster, because the country is also growing faster.
Right.
So I think we will see next IPOs sooner than this one.
One last question. You mentioned about reducing cost and a huge potential for especially JSW Infrastructure. What should be the strategy for doing the same?
Well, as you make your infrastructure more efficient, and transportation cost comes down and volumes can grow up, the cost will come down. India has to bring down its logistics cost, and it can only happen through better infrastructure, better planning, and that is where we believe that JSW Infrastructure will play its role.